Welcome to Siding Fog. Today I will show you how to update Realme 5 Pro to Android 10 by manual method. This is the official method used if you haven't received the OT update. So let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for Realme 5 Pro manual update. You will get the first result from the official website of Realme. Open the website and find your model. Here I am updating Realme 5 Pro. Now click on download option and it will start downloading the file. I am skipping here as I had already downloaded the file. Now after downloading the file, go to File Manager and click on the file. A new dialog box will appear with two options, Cancel and Update. Click on Update and it will start updating. This will take some time, so I will be back after update is completed. I am back and now the phone is booting. This also takes some time. The phone just updated and is working fine. Let's go to settings and see what are the new features. Let's open About Phone. We can see the Android version is 10 and the Realme UI version is 1.0. So that's it guys. This is the official and safest method we can use to update Realme phone before OT update. So don't worry about breaking your phone. Make sure the file you downloaded is having the same file size as it is shown in the website. So thank you for watching and see you again.